Yeah, after passing out my graduation in 2024, actually I joined one English medium school in Bangtol, Sirang, and there I was teaching English. I was teaching maths and science for 3 years, and after that, and I was also writing different exams about job, and I got job in Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Boeing Refinery, and I have been working there for the last 3.5 years. And
Sir, what would you like to advise to the public, for the youngsters, all those are loitering, all those are done BTech, MTech, MCom, BCom, still they've been loitering, no any idea. What would you like to suggest those people?
I just want to say that they can go for civil service, they can go for UPSC, and parallelly they can go for APSC also, because now syllabus is same. Both the UPSC and APSC, they have the same syllabus. So, and if they work hard, they will become successful.
So what is your best thanks to your parents? Because being a parents means taught you to be in success. So what is your warm regards to your parents?
My regards to my parents is that today whatever I am, because of my parents, my late father and my mom, they work hard, and they are like God to me, and I will always be with them.
So who has given you idea regarding this job, and from where do you come to know such kind of work has been given in the social media or whatever it is? What do you come to know?
Actually, I also used to see in the YouTube about the toppers interviews, UPSC toppers, and by and by I got inspired by some of the toppers by seeing their videos, success stories, and I also thought that I will try it, and today I am successful in my first attempt.
So what is your role in the Sub Registrar? What will you work for the public?
Actually, I don't have that much knowledge also, but as far as my knowledge and as far as I have known from people, my work would be about registration, about lands, flats, buildings, properties, marriage, and like that means anything about registration.
So when will you post it for the first time for this job?
That one I have not known, and after getting appointment, I think they will let us know.
How do you feel, sir, today that many youngsters and all those who are from the ex-party BPF, Cabinet Minister, sir, you has been here to welcome you? How do you feel?
Actually, I'm grateful that sir and all the leaders of BPFs are here to thank me. I would like to thank the leaders of all the BPFs, especially Sir Rihon Demari sir and Sir Fresh Mosari sir. They have come here and congratulate me and
गावखौनो एस्टाब्लिश खालामनो हायोब्ला बेफोर बुस्थुनिफ्राय जों गासैनो माने मोनसे रिजाल्ट फैनो हायो आरो किन्तु गोसो हगारसारनाङा मानसिनि गेजेराव मोनसे माने थांखि थानांगौ जाय थांखिखौ दिनै बिहा फंबाय दैथुन बड'साया जिबायदि थांखि लानानै गोबां खस्थ'नि गेजेरजोंबो बे रिजाल्टखौ मोननो हादों नंखायनो आं खावलायगोन जोंनि समाजनि गेजेराव जोंनि लाइमोनफोरखौ आं खावलायगोन जोंनि गार्जेनफोरखौ आं खावलायगोन जाहाथे बैफोर माने एग्जामफोरखौ होनो थाखाय जों गावनि गथ'जों लोगोसे गावनि लाइमोनफोरखौ जाहाथे थुलुंगा होयो आरो जोंबो बेखौनो जों दिनै आं सासे खावलायगोन जे समाजनि सांग्रां सुबुं हिसाबै जों साफ्रोमखौ खावलायहरगोन जाहाथे बेफोर रिजाल्टखौ जों जाहाथे मोननो थाखाय बिराद खस्थ' खालायनांगोन आरो जों सेस्था खालायनानै बे रिजाल्टजों बिदि दिहुननो हाब्लानो निश्चय जोंनि गेजेराव मोनसे माखासे मोजां रिजाल्टखौ जों मोननो हागोन आरो
सार लास्ट सोंथि गोबां सुबुंफ्रा ससियेल मिडिया नुनायनि गेजेरजों बिबि लानांगौ माने सहाय होनाय बा सोरनिबा न'खर खबर होनायखौ जों नुनो मोनदों होनदों आरो गोजोननायखौ मोनदों होनना बुंदों सारा बेनि उनाव मा बुंनो सानो
जों बिपिएफ मोनसे राजनितिया जाहैदों मा जों समाजनि गेजेराव थानानै खामानि मावनो ओंखारबोनाय मोनसे राजनिति दल मानोना जोङो दिनै सोरबा मोजां मोननाय सोरबा गाज्रि मोननाय बे